Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us look into OIC Gen 3 upgrade help document. So I have upgraded multiple customers from OIC Gen 2 to Gen 3. So from my experience, I have prepared this help document. So if it helps for you, it would be very great, but it can give you some high level notes like how to prepare for upgrade and what all are actions that we need to perform. So from this a high level, like follow the below steps for the upgrade. Means what are the steps that we need to follow? We'll discuss, and then OIC Gen 3 upgrade issues. What issues we faced in Gen 3. I have already made a video on this upgrade issues, but I'll just go through on this also in this video on high level. Not go in detail, but high level. If you want to see in detail, you can see uh, last uploaded video. And OIC upgrade questions. So these are the frequent questions that I am receiving from the customers. So I just have added these out in the notes, and then so upgrade frequency as frequently asked questions. This is from the Oracle documents and also the schedule information. This is very important in this video. Okay, so let us start with the first one. Follow the below steps for upgrade. Step 1. Take all production integrations backup. Right. So when we are planning for the upgrade, we first upgrade non-prod instance and then go for the production instance. Right. So when we are upgrading a non-prod instance, we need to make sure whether we have the latest code in non-prod or not. Okay. Latest code means if we are already aware that the non-prod code is latest code, then you can go with that. Otherwise, you can take the production code and then import into the non-prod. But make sure that you are not removing any existing non-prod development track. So that is the purpose. Even you can see first two steps. Take all production integrations backup. Take all non-prod integrations backup. Because from someone from your team may already working on a non-prod integrations development. When you are replacing it, they will lose that work, right? So just to make sure, take all production integrations backup and take all non-prod integrations backup, and then import all production integrations into OIC non-prod instance. As I said, just to make sure we have a latest code in non-prod, and then ready for an OIC non-prod instance. Means you know if the non-prod instance is already eligible, Oracle will give you a date. So just wait for that. Ready for the date. Once the upgrade is completed, fifth step. After the upgrade date notification, log in and verify if the OIC non-prod instance upgrade is completed successfully or not. If that is upgraded successfully, then test all non-prod integrations. So we need to test all our integrations in non-prod instance. So that is the reason we have initially imported latest code into non-prod instance. Okay, and then 7. If any issues, if you face any issues in step 6, work on the code changes or work with Oracle support for a fix. Okay, so that means we need to make sure all our integrations are working as expected in Gen 3 non-prod instance. Once everything is resolved, confirm if all issues got resolved in the OIC non-prod instance and ready for an OIC prod instance upgrade. Replace the integrations with which we worked or fixed issues after the OIC non-prod instance Gen 2 upgrade. So what this means is, initially, we tested all our integrations in non-prod instance in Gen 3. Right? So in step 7, if you have made any code changes, in non-prod, Gen 3 non-prod. So in step 10, what we are saying is after prod instance upgrade, just make sure to you know import the latest code from test instance. Means whatever the changes that you have made for the to fix the issues that you can replace in a production instance. So that we already resolved the issue in non-prod, so you are just replacing that prod. And make sure all prod integrations are working as expected, and then upgrade is completed. So these are the steps we need to follow. And if you see any more steps we need to add, please comment in the video. And then OIC Gen 3 upgrade issues. I have already discussed these, but I'll just go through high level. SFTP server. SFTP server is changing, so just make sure to point your integrations to the latest you know, Gen 3 SFTP server instance ID. In Gen 2, it was unique numeric value, but in Gen 3, it is alphanumeric value. Just make sure on that. And then processing time, it is taking for some integrations. I'm not saying for all integrations. For some integrations, it is taking more time to process. We observe that happening in a mappers only. So some mappers are taking more time to process the data. So for one of our customer, we faced in Gen 2, it used to complete in around 13 to 15 minutes, but in Gen 3, it took 3 plus hours. And when we raise an SR, they have they did some tweaks in instance level, and that came around half an hour, but still looks like they're still working on it. And also what Oracle is saying is they are improving Gen 3 performance, but it's still in progress. And change in OIC instance name after Gen 3 upgrade. So still you can use this Gen 2 URL, and that will redirect to Gen 3, but make sure to have the latest URL, then use it. User defined means we use that user defined functions, right? We write a JavaScript code and import it to the integrations and we use that. So that function sometimes not working as expected due to not properly activated or not properly uh, you know node is not activated properly. So due to some other reasons, uh, when we react with the integration, that is working fine, and sometimes even that is also not working. So in that case, we reach out to Oracle support and they advise some steps to resolve the issue. OIC upgrade questions. So this is one of the important part in this video. Is there a charge to upgrade? So we are receiving this question from each and every customer. So answer for this is no. The upgrade is available at no additional cost. So this step can be taken care. I mean, the upgrade is free of cost and performed by Oracle. You can see the screenshot from Oracle documentation. Is there a change to charge to upgrade? No, the upgrade is available at no additional cost. Will there be downtime? So this is also one of the common question that we are receiving. Yes, your upgrade takes 1 or 2 hours. During this time, Oracle integration is unavailable and all in-flight instances stop running. See how upgrade affects runtime data. So we need to make sure stop the schedules for also when there is a real-time integrations. We need to make sure again for business not to do any actions, and then ready for the upgrade. Is upgrade is mandatory. So this upgrade is mandatory. Every instance is going to upgrade from Gen 2 to Gen 3. So this is mandatory, we cannot skip it, but it may delay. Yet we need to migrate it. There is no option. What is the deadline? Initially it was December 2023, but looks like it is changed. When we look into the Oracle documents, we found some notes. This is from one of my SR, and they said it is December 22, 2023 is the target date for migration to Gen 3, but now it is changed. We can discuss in the below. Uh, is Oracle accepting new upgrade requests? So after the middle of the December 2023, all upgrade requests are considered for January 2024. So now I'm doing this video on October 11, right? So this is October 11. So what Oracle is saying is after middle of December 2023, all upgrades requests are considered for January 2024. Development environments will upgrade early in the month, 2 weeks before production environments. Means there is no scheduled window for the upgrade in 2023. From 2024 January, they'll be upgrading Gen from Gen 2 to Gen 3. But they'll be accepting the request from middle of December 2023. So why is Oracle not accepting new upgrade requests for the rest of 2023? So answer from Oracle is we understand that many of our customers' business critical activities happen during the last quarter of the calendar year. To avoid any interruptions and allow teams to concentrate on the closing the year, we decided to upgrade only the minimal number of instances we already have on the schedule list. Only December and only dev and test environments. We are not accepting new requests until January 2024. Upgrade frequently asked questions. You can look into this video. I'll add this link into. I'll add this link into the video description. You can get it from there. But there are a lot of questions, frequently asked questions. You can refer to that. And the schedule information. So this is one of the highlight part here. Let me just zoom in. Okay. So you can see accepting new requests for the upgrade. October, November, December, no closed, no closed, no closed. For January, after the middle of December 2023. Okay. So here you can see October 2023, October 9th and October 30th upgrade windows are currently on hold while we make further enhancements to Oracle Integration 3. Reschedule notifications will follow once the new dates are determined. And also from SRs, what we understand is, I said that we have some performance issues in Gen 3. They said they are improving performance. And from these notes, what we can understand is they are making further changes, enhancements to the OIC integration Gen 3 instance. So let us wait for January 2024. We hope for the better OIC Gen 3. If I missed anything, please add in the comment so that it will be helpful for others. Thank you, everyone.